I am presenting a comprehensive theoretical framework that addresses several of the most pressing anomalies currently facing the LCDM model as of January 2026. This framework, the Spherical Brane-Core Model, offers a structural resolution to the Hubble Tension, the nature of the Gravitational Wave Background, and the recent non-detection of sterile neutrinos by the MicroBooNE collaboration. In summary, the model posits that the universe is not a singular 4D continuum, but a dynamic spherical stack of branes arranged concentrically around a central vibrating source. Reality is defined by the simultaneous exhale of new Planck-length layers from the core and the inhale of shredded matter from the outermost layers returning to the source. Structural mechanics. The core exhale. We propose that dark energy is the outward pressure of new layers being manufactured at the core. This exhale pushes the existing stack toward higher radial coordinates. The Hubble Tension. This model naturally resolves the H0 disparity. Measurement variations between the early universe and local universe are not errors, but a stack gradient. Screens closer to the core experience a different expansion velocity than those at the periphery, DESI 2025. Data. The observed weakening of dark energy aligns with a cycle where the core's outward pressure fluctuates as the stack reaches its maximum stable radius. The spherical screen, the universe is a hollow spherical shell at distance x from the core. Gravity, represented as a local dent in the screen toward the core. Dark matter, defined as the core interaction. It is the resonance of the core's vibration interacting with the screen's curvature. This explains the lack of a dark matter particle. The effect is a vibrational harmonic, not a physical baryonic substance. The simultaneous inhale. As the outermost screen reaches its critical limit, it undergoes shredding into fundamental properties. The return. These shredded elements fall vertically back toward the core, penetrating the intermediate screens seamlessly. Resolution of sterile neutrinos. The 2025-2026 MicroBooNE results confirm no sterile neutrino exists as a horizontal particle on our screen. In our model, these are vertical particles passing through the Planck gap. Their intermittent detection is a result of gravitational focusing by massive objects like the Sun, which concentrate this vertical rain, mapping the 2026 anomalies. First, the Gravitational Wave Background, HUM. Mainstream science is baffled by how unexpectedly loud and uniform this cosmic noise is. In our model, this isn't random noise. It is the physical engine noise of new universe layers being created right at the core. Then there is the H0 tension, the frustrating discrepancy between expansion measurements of the early and late universe. The solution? We are observing a radial velocity difference between internal and external shells of the cosmic stack. Third, MicroBooNE. Experiments have failed to detect a fourth neutrino flavor. That's because these aren't local particles. They are vertical vibrations of information returning to the core through the stack. Finally, the JWST galaxies mystery. Why are the earliest galaxies already so mature? Our model posits they grew from inhale remnants, leftovers from previous cosmic cycles that acted as gravitational seeds for these new layers. Bruce. Conclusion and future testing. The Spherical Brane-Core Model suggests that the standard model is a 2D slice of a 3D radial process. We predict that high-frequency gravitational wave detectors will eventually identify a pulsatile signature representing the universal heartbeat of the core. I believe this perspective provides the geometric missing link required to unify general relativity with quantum field theory.